Good afternoon, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. It feels so great to be back in Disney World. I know it's only been probably in a week, but you know, the last vlog I was in New York City and it was so weird going from a 50-degree weather back to a sunny 86-degree weather in Florida, and it is super hot and I don't know why I'm wearing a black shirt. But anyways, I noticed something different as soon as I came in the parking lot, that the cast members here, they don't even have to wear a mask outside no more. So that's pretty awesome, because you know, we don't have to wear them like as guests. But like, I'd be wondering how come like the cast members still have to wear them, but I guess we don't have to wear the mask, you know. So that's pretty cool. That's one new up. The summer crowds are here. So this is the line to get into the Mexico Pavilion, because I want to ride the Grand Fiesta ride, because I heard the Three Caballeros are back in, so I'm gonna go join it. So we're gonna be riding in the Grand Fiesta tour. It's so weird like how Disney still makes us wear masks indoors, and Universal has lifted that to be optional. Hopefully maybe they'll soon, maybe by the end of this video, who knows, they might lift that mask rule indoors too, but we shall see. I really want to ride this ride because like they brought back the Three Caballeros, and that's the main reason I want to go. And plus it's an indoor ride, it's in AC, so why not? I wonder when are they gonna remove all these plexiglass right here, right, Paul? It's like it's like being in between these two plexiglasses feels so claustrophobic, and it's like, what's the point? I don't know. They just need to remove these. Yeah, we're finally about to board and get out of this plexiglass area. Kind of feels like Halloween Horror Nights, you know, going through that maze. And it's funny, I don't understand, like, why do we still have the markers on the floor for social distancing? And like, nobody's even listening to it. I don't get it. But anyways, we're about to go ride it right now. I'm excited. The Three Caballeros, look! I'm so excited to see them again. I don't know. So just got out of the Grand Fiesta. It was a nice little ride to get away from the heat for a little bit with the cool AC, you know. Back outside, and I'm gonna walk around the World Showcase and see what I'm gonna get into. Every time I come to the Germany Pavilion, I have to go get my favorite kind of beer, which is the grapefruit beer. I know some people might not like it because it's like too sweet, but it's my type of beer, and I'm joining with my friend Paul.
It's not Germany Pavilion, it's a Fantasyland.
What? Anyways, guys, this is like the perfect drink right now because it's like super humid and hot outside. Even though it's cloudy right now, it's still humid, and I think it's about to rain really soon. But that's Florida weather for you.
Technical difficulties.
But that's Florida weather for you. In the summer here, it rains literally every single day.
Yeah, you have to go to Barcelona.
Oh, so refreshing. This is pretty cool. So as we were passing the American Pavilion, they're giving away free sunscreen because you know it's really hot and humid in Florida during the summer. So that's pretty cool. You just grab one off and go. It's the Copper Tone Sport Clear 50. Okay guys, look at my new umbrella I got. I'm so obsessed with Hello Kitty. So when I was in the Japan pavilion, I got my new Hello Kitty umbrella. Well, mainly because it's about to rain soon here in Florida, and to protect me from the sun. Yeah, I know I already walked like half, almost the whole World Show place in the hot sun, but now that I have this handy dandy umbrella with me, I can use it to protect me from the sun while I'm walking around. And I love it because it's super cute. It fits me well. And don't ask me why. Why do we love Hello Kitty so much? So look. Okay, we're now about to go ride Test Track. It says it's about a 55-minute wait, but I don't really think it's gonna be that long. Most of the times the wait time is shorter than what is posted, but we'll see. Let's go join. I'll let you know when I get off. So we got delayed about an hour because of the weather, so they had closed it down a little bit, but now it just opened back up and I'm so excited. Finally we get to go ride it. I mean, so a total of 50 minutes, that's included with the ride being down due to the weather, and now we are at the front of the ride and we're waiting for the next car to come through and we're gonna go. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Just got out of Test Track. It was such an amazing ride. Even though it was down for a little bit, it wasn't that bad. I'm guessing maybe 15-20 minutes or so, and then it went right back up and they started loading people on. We got the front row area, so that was pretty cool. I love being in the front row of rides. Yeah, it's a nice little quick thrilling ride. Now I'm gonna just go scroll through Mouse Scares real quick and see what's new in there, if there's any new merch or anything, and I'll bring you guys along with me. So the first thing I noticed is this mini dress for $129.99. It's different. It's pretty cool. And then, oh, look at this Jack Skellington's jacket over here. It's pretty nice too. $79.99. These button-up shirts are pretty nice. Look at this monorail button-up shirt. It was for $59.99. Then they got the Dalmatian one, and then the one with all the different hats on it. I thought that was pretty neat. Sebastian from the Little Mermaid. We're seeing some new face coverings. So like they have these for the 4th of July that's coming up. Marco. And look at these face masks for $14.99. They have the one in blue too. Okay guys, I'm gonna end my day here in Epcot. It was pretty fun. I'm glad it didn't rain like it said it was going to at this time. It's cloudy, like it's about to come soon, but it didn't officially come yet. and I was able to ride the Grand Fiesta. I'm glad the three caballeros are back, and then I got to ride Test Track, even though it went down for a few minutes. It wasn't that bad. Got to walk around the whole World Showcase, hang out with some friends. Got my favorite grapefruit beer in Germany, and overall it was a fantastic day. I might not be able to come back for a while because there was some kind of issue when I came into the park earlier, like because I had upgraded from silver to the gold pass back in March, but they had to like give me a certificate, and then they said the gold pass doesn't kick in until August or something like that. But I was like, how am I able to book a park pass? But anyways, at guest services, they were able to give me like a one-day ticket come in, but maybe I might be able to switch out the pass or something. I'm not sure, but we'll see what's gonna happen. I hope I'm able to fix that problem, because I do want to come back here for the first day of Food and Wine Festival, which starts July 15th. But overall, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.